shitty these roads are. West Virginia at its fucking finest. You want us to pay tax. You want us to fucking get vehicle inspection. I can literally jump the little fucking bumps on the road. Whoa. And you want to tell me that we need to pay taxes? Bitch, you're fucking crazy. Oh my god. Fucking West Virginia. I say, fuck the taxes. For real. I'm not business room maintain, you know why? Because all the rich people live back here. That is a nice Bardonium though, whatever it's called. That is nice, I ain't gonna lie. Fuck it. I was love tap it. Yeah.